Follow these steps to make backlink from Reddit. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Creating backlinks from Reddit can be a great way to drive traffic to your website, but you need to do it carefully to avoid being flagged as spam. First, look for subreddits related to your niche by searching reddit.com your niche subreddit. For example, if you're in digital marketing, check SEO or marketing or entrepreneur. Before posting links, contribute value by answering questions, commenting on posts, sharing insights. Most subreddits dislike self-promotion, so build credibility first. Some subreddits allow links, others don't. Always check the rules found in the right sidebar or pinned post. Subreddits such as small business, side project, just start will allow you to add link. Instead of making post, drop a helpful comment with a link with relevant example. Someone asks how to do keyword research. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner. Likewise, provide some guidance. Then edit your profile and add your website in the bio section. This is a permanent backlink that stays visible when users check your profile. Some subreddits allow you to share a long text post with a link inside. Write a detailed post, 300 plus words. Add a link at the end naturally. Avoid click here phrasing. Instead, say I wrote a full guide on how to do. Post with images get more engagement. Upload an image or meme, then put the link in the comments instead of the post itself. The key to successful Reddit backlinks is to be active, provide value, and share links sparingly. So this way you are able to make backlink from Reddit. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.